Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to mask images in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is of course upload your photo. By doing this, you can upload your photo. We're going to wait for it to be uploaded. And then you're going to drag it into your frame over here just like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select your shape that you will be using to mask your photo. For example, we're going to use the eclipse and then drag it over here just like that on top of the section of the picture that we would like to edit. So we're going to fix our shape over here for a bit just like that. And then we're simply going to click on right click, use as mask, and then you're going to drag your photo on top. And just like that, we were able to mask our image. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.